Birthday loading with my bestie.
Yes.
Look at my Bestie Bessie.
Yes. Yes.
Birthday loading, and we're at a gaming tournament. It's called something with downtown Syracuse called Elite Gaming. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna turn it around. Hold on. Look at that. They're gaming in there, y'all. Elite Gaming. This is like one of our first stops. We're gonna do a whole tour of downtown Syracuse, get some history. This is nice. Oh, look at Pac-Man, y'all. That's the snack concession stand. Elite Gaming. Elite Dunkin'. Elite Gaming, run on Dunkin'.
Two stock thing. Yes.
Esports, New York State. Oh look, Connect 4.
Yes. I gotta get one of those for like a game night at my house. That would be
I know, all of them on the computer. Donkey Kong Jr. Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong. Oh man, I used to play this game so much.